What's happening YouTube? Tech TRX back now with video. Today we are looking at the A11 by ILIFE. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified on next videos to come up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. This one is from ILIFE. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. We're going to see all the features here today and see what else they could do. So here we go. Basically, it says here that it has 4000 PA of ultra suction power. There's also extra large battery capacity, which is really nice, up to 4900 milliamp hour. This one is also a robot mop, so that's really good. And then there's also the new generation laser navigation, which you can see the map on your app. So let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. There's some instruction manual right there. The vacuum itself as well, right here. There you go. Pretty good. Let's put that on the side for now. Some mopping pads right here. A couple of brushes right there. Filter as well for the vacuum. An extra pad as well for the mop there. Has a little remote as well. The first time I've seen that. Pretty cool. There's also the charging station right here. Pretty nice. Over here it comes with the where all the dirt goes when you're vacuuming. Pretty good. This is the brush as well. As you can see there, rubbery, and then the power adapter. So this is what the ILIFE looks like. As a LiDAR sensor right here. You can scan your area. Has a power button and a home button right here. This part right here comes up, and then you'll be able to empty it out like so by clicking that and bringing it up like so. That opens up so that you'll be able to just dump it real easy. Pretty easy right there. There's a filter in the front as well, which you can clean out or change out after ever so often. There it is, and then the filter just pops right in there. Also, to put it back is real easy. Just pop it right in. You're good to go. And then here it has a brush and also the little blade there so that you can cut hairs that are getting stuck on the brushes. The front has this bumping part so that when you hit something, it'll detect that there's something there, so it's really good. On the back as well, as you can see here, there's a sensor. On the bottom here, it's a wheel on the front. Nice elevation as well, so to clear out, mats and whatnot. Pretty nice. Little spring there in the front here is where you would install the brush, like so. There you go. And then on the bottom here is the brush so that you can clean it out as well. There you go, nice and easy. They also provided a different